In the jungle, a skyscraper. Every inch of the glass curtain wall shines brightly. Before, cleaning the exterior walls of high-rise buildings is a complex and high-risk task. Workers are needed to hang from the walls of skyscraper. Dangerous and inefficient. Today, drone technology innovation changed the way buildings are cleaned. Waterproof hull machine, key components IP60. Easily cope with water mist in rain and snow weather. Strong decontamination foam soaking. Fully dissolve the stain. 235 bar ultra high pressure soap water cleaning. Maximum flow rate of 900 liters per hour. Regular wall, automatic flight, more efficient. 3 meters range phased array radar obstacle avoidance, safer. Multi-nozzle, multi-cleaner, suitable for various materials. Environmentally friendly cleaner, effectively protecting the environment. Multi-angle jet, easier ease cleaning. Headed system for power supply and works all day. Coping with wind speeds below level 6. 20 square meters per minute for efficient cleaning.